In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit GoDaddy website after publishing. Once your site is live, it's completely normal to keep refining it. GoDaddy's builder makes this easy, and you don't need to start over or unpublish anything. You'll simply open the editor, choose the page you want, and make your updates in a guided panel. Begin from your GoDaddy dashboard, where you see your website listed. Look for the button labeled Edit Website and click it. This takes you straight into the Websites Plus Marketing Editor, showing a live preview of your site in the main area. Think of this as your workspace. What you see in the center is the page layout, and the controls around it help you change content and style without touching any code. Next, select the page you want to work on. Use the site navigation inside the editor to move between pages like Home, About, or Contact. If you have many pages, a Pages or Navigation menu will help you jump directly to the one you need. Choosing the right page first keeps your changes focused and avoids accidentally editing the wrong section. With your page open, click any part of it to reveal the editing options on the right side panel. This panel is your command center. If you click text, you'll see fields to rewrite headlines, paragraphs, and button labels, plus options for fonts, sizes, and alignment. If you click an image, you can replace it, crop, or reposition it, and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and search visibility. For buttons and links, use the panel to choose where they point, whether that's another page, a specific section, a file, or an external URL. Many sections also include layout, color, and spacing controls so you can fine-tune the look without redesigning the entire site. As you make edits, watch the page preview update in real time. Keep your copy concise, use high-quality images that are optimized for web, and stay consistent with your brand colors and typography for a professional finish. If you're tailoring content for different devices, remember that the editor includes mobile views so you can confirm everything reads well on smaller screens. The undo option is handy if you want to roll back a change, and your live site won't change until you publish again, so you can work safely and review before sharing updates publicly. That's all there is to it. Open the editor, pick the page, and use the right side panel to update content and style with confidence. Keep iterating, and your published site will stay fresh, accurate, and effective.